Logging a call with the new Service Manager program is easy within ABM software. Either from the customer's screen, you can simply highlight and click on Log a Call, or you can go to the service area. So for this example, we'll assume that we're in the customer list, click on a customer and then simply log a call. This opens our call logging screen and there's a lot of information to go through here. You can start by seeing that the information from the customer has been automatically loaded. You can of course override that by simply typing in a code and it will find that person, or you can type in their name in the second box down. So if I was to type in HEND, it will take me to that specific person. It will take me to that specific client. We can change the call statuses and who the invoice is due to go to. We can of course then assign the invoice to a different customer. The contact name is listed as a highlighted field and you can see the warnings up above in the toolbar. So you must put in who is the caller or a contact name from the service call. So let's say that it's Rosemary who's given us a call from this client. You can load in their email, it will load from the client's account, or you can put in a different email address if you choose. You can see the things that are required and change those requirements, and I'm just going to put in some comments here. Smoke pouring out, and now I can put in the details of that particular call. I'm going to, for the purpose of the exercise, type some random information. We have the ability to load in makes and models within our Service Manager program, so you can quickly and easily assign a make and model to the service call that's incoming. The resolution is designed to be an over-the-phone resolution, and you can actually put in, if you've been able to resolve this problem quickly, you can type in here a resolution. Resolved with a restart. Of course, if you need to send a service technician, that's where we get into the next area. So there's a lot of other information, and we'll go through each one of these different areas, such as serial numbers, in another video, but you'll be able to see all serial numbers within the system and who they've been sold to. If you select a serial number product, you'll actually be taken to the customer that purchased that serial numbered product. You can link the service call back to a supplier directly or to a job. All of the screens are customizable by the call type. So for example, if you've got a service call, you could select that from the list and it will change the required information. Credit control may not see, for example, the different screens within the Service Manager. So you can control what information is seen by setting up the call types. Once you have this call set up, you can quite simply save that and it will now show us in the service call list. Double-clicking that call will of course reopen the call screen. Some of the things that may be very quickly needed to be able to do is to assign this to an engineer, somebody who would like to then go out on the call itself. You can do that, and to do that we'll go to the quick schedule area, and I can either choose a staff member directly, or if I'm not sure who it needs to go to, I can check their availability. This will pick up all of the staff that are listed in the jobs and staff area. I can choose to see just a certain person if I'd like to, so I can go down to our staff and turn off different people to get a clearer calendar, and of course I can view in day, week, month mode or timeline mode. When I see the space, so let's say for example that I wanted to look in day mode and I can see that Mike has time available. If I select 11 o'clock as an example and just drag and drop and release my mouse, it will fill in Mike and 11 o'clock for that service call. I can then email that off to Mike and have him receive an email with the job ticket and all the description details, etc. Once you've done that assigning, you can then save the call and we'll come back in to show the next steps, which is travelling, etc., on another video.